court strikes down Alabama Congressional Map for diluting the power of black voters in a landmark decision that reverberates through the halls of American democracy. The court has ruled against the Alabama Congressional Map, declaring it unconstitutional for its detrimental impact on the voting power of black citizens. This pivotal legal battle illuminates the ongoing struggle for fair representation and the protection of voting rights. In this article, we delve into the details of this case, examining the implications, the historical context, and the broader significance of this verdict. The historical significance of voting rights. The right to vote is the cornerstone of democracy, an instrument through which the voice of every citizen is heard and counted. In the United States, the struggle for voting rights has deep historical roots, marked by the Civil Rights Movement and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. These monumental milestones aim to eliminate racial discrimination in voting, making it more inclusive and equitable. Gerrymandering and its impact. Gerrymandering, the manipulation of electoral boundaries to favor one political party or group over another, has long been a contentious issue in American politics. It has often been used as a tool to dilute the power of minority communities, particularly black voters. The case against the Alabama Congressional Map brings this practice into the spotlight. The accusations. The plaintiffs in this case argued that the Alabama Congressional Map was deliberately drawn to minimize the influence of black voters by packing them into a few districts, thus limiting their representation in the overall congressional delegation. The court's decision. In a groundbreaking decision, the court found that the map did indeed violate the rights of black voters. They concluded that it was designed with discriminatory intent and had a significant adverse impact on the ability of black citizens to elect their preferred candidates. The broader implications. This ruling in Alabama could have far-reaching consequences for redistricting practices nationwide. It sends a clear message that gerrymandering based on racial considerations will not be tolerated by the courts. It underscores the importance of ensuring that electoral maps are drawn fairly, without undermining the rights of any community. The court's decision to strike down the Alabama Congressional Map is a significant step toward protecting the voting rights of black citizens and upholding the principles of democracy. It serves as a reminder that the struggle for fair representation continues, and that the courts play a crucial role in safeguarding these fundamental rights. What is gerrymandering? Gerrymandering is the manipulation of electoral boundaries to favor one political group over another, often with the intent to suppress the voting power of specific communities. Why is fair representation important? Fair representation ensures that every citizen's voice is heard in the political process, contributing to a more inclusive and equitable democracy. What was the role of the Civil Rights Movement in voting rights? The Civil Rights Movement played a pivotal role in advocating for and securing voting rights for black citizens, culminating in the Voting Rights Act of 1965. How can gerrymandering be prevented in the future? Preventing gerrymandering requires transparent and impartial redistricting processes, as well as legal challenges like the one seen in the Alabama case.